All right, Sam, what I do is I go into Chrome. And so if you take and you just open up Chrome here, and then you're going to find your Gmail accounts over here. And I just click on this little like nine pattern thing and go to Drive. It opens up all your Gmail drives. Um, so I have a bunch on mine. So here, this is not stuff I'm interested in, so I've got to find the one we need. And if you open your, whatever your personal one should be up here on the top right. So when I do this, I need to add an account or go down to the one I have. So in this case, if you don't have it, you'd be adding it. But here, because we have this one chemistry working group, I'm just going to click on that. And once we do that, it will open. And then after that opens, you can type in password, and the password is VCS chemistry with the VCCS and the chemistry all there. Mine's probably going to save here automatically or open automatically. My password is saved and everything should be there.